Parents, I want to give you a heads up. Our next segment may not be suitable for children. Medical experts estimate this condition affects about 5% of men at 40 years old, then increases to 15% of men by age 70. Coastside Clinic offers surgery-free, drug-free, and non-invasive treatments to help patients deal with ED. Medical technician Andrew Reinhardt is with us to talk about this condition. Hey, Andrew.
Hey, how you doing today?
We're doing well. Can you tell us more about this medical condition that impacts men and how you treat it?
Well, it is a major medical problem, erectile dysfunction. So many men are struggling with this. That means that the relationship is struggling. We have a medical advancement at Coastside Clinic. It's called acoustic wave therapy. This is a technology that emits pressure waves that gently open up and regrow blood vessels. It treats the root cause problem of erectile dysfunction. There are no pills or injections or chemicals involved, simply more blood flow in the bedroom where you want it, when you want it.
You mentioned pills, injections, and chemicals, so that's not what this is, what you offer. But are those things that people have relied on in the past for this condition?
Yeah, in fact, for 30 years, the pill has really been the only thing that men go to. It doesn't work all that well. They get headaches and blurred vision the next day. And here's a big one: no spontaneity. It's a big timing game with the pill. At Coastside Clinic, with our technology, we can reverse the erectile dysfunction and get the spontaneity restored.
Can you talk about some of the other disadvantages that exist when people rely on medication?
I would say it's mostly the side effects, but it really doesn't even work in the first place. Men then take more of it. Their body builds up a tolerance, so they end up taking maybe dangerous amounts, and the side effects simply get worse.
I hear you. So what are some other ways to treat this condition? What you do does not involve medication.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Other than the pill, it's been injections or surgery. Significant downsides with those. I don't even need to go into it. This treatment is not invasive. A session is 10 minutes. You can come in on your lunch break and leave feeling totally normal. We're simply repairing the blood vessels and improving circulation in this part of the body.
What's some of the common comments or feedback you're hearing from patients who undergo the treatment that you offer?
That's one of the best part of my jobs is getting feedback from patients. Mostly they tell me about the improvements to the relationship. We get rid of the ED, that's great, but the intimacy, the relationship, even overall happiness improves. There is such a huge ripple effect on life. When things go well in the bedroom, they tend to go well outside of the bedroom as well.
This is good information, Andrew. Do you have any type of incentive or offer for our viewers if they are interested in scheduling a consultation?
We actually have significant value today. If you're ready to get rid of your ED, call the number on your screen now. If you do, you'll qualify for the assessment, exam, and blood flow ultrasound free, plus a gift that produces powerful results to intimacy. I think you'll love that. $500 normally. We're doing it free to callers now.
Andrew, and I also want to ask you, how soon can people expect to see results if they undergo this treatment that you offer?
The Cambridge University study said a man needs a few treatments is all over about 2 weeks, and you do progress as you go, so it can be a fun process.
All right. Thanks so much for sharing this with our audience today. If you want more information, visit coastsideclinic.com.